Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Jackson County, Illinois, eastern Perry County, Missouri, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located from 7 miles south of Chester to near Altenburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Ava, Graham Tower, Altenburg, Frona, and Gorham. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Jackson, Illinois, and Perry, Missouri. Here are some 5 p.m.